Hello, my name is Game Hero 2012. I'm a very good player, as you know. This is another tutorial how to play the most coolest game in the whole world, Solitaire. It's very popular. I bought this game for $12 and it's a full version. Now we can see what tricks it has. Okay, start. Boom, free cards. Okay, it's very tough. It's the first time I played this game. I don't know what to do. Shit. All cards are separated. What the hell is going on? Okay, another free cards. Okay, maybe this. Oh, I got it. You have to put black, red, black, red, black, red, black, red.
In this.
Yes. Fuck, I'm good at this. Okay. What next? What next? Next. This is, I think, is the most difficult level. It's damn.
Could you tell me what is the song in the background for every viewer?
it's the most popular hit on the internet. Birdman, Why You Mad, Nicki Minaj, and my favorite rapper of all time, the greatest MC Lil Wayne. And now we're playing Solitaire. Okay, we're trying to beat this game. 10. We can't beat it. It's very difficult. Oh my god, we're lose. No, we're not. We're so good at this game. Okay, I'm filming it. And no, it crashed. The whole game crashed, and well,
This was good tutorial for
Yes.
Solitaire game
If you want to-
on Windows 7.
if you want to play this game, just buy it from Amazon for about $12 or $15.
Yes.
Okay.
Song was good, everything was good. Subscribe us on YouTube.